Hey everybody, welcome to Mia's Make Oops. I am Mia. If this is your first time joining me, thanks so much for checking me out. Those of you who are joining me yet again, how's it going? So, I don't have a whole lot of makeup on, just some mascara and a little bit of lip color so I don't look completely dead in this video. I'm just doing a quick unboxing. I'm just, doing chores and stuff around the house right now. Got watching my kiddos, my crazy kiddos, and laundry and all that good junk. So anyway, Boxy Charm came. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my Boxy Charm box. I promise I haven't looked in it yet. I just started opening it for myself because I don't have any cutting implements around right now. So I didn't want to look like a dumb just sitting here clicking and clicking and clicking at this trying to get it open. So like I have said before, BoxyCharm is really awesome for the value that you get in it. You get 5 full-size products for like 27 bucks for the base box, and last month was really good for me. So you can semi-customize it and say, oh, I want more makeup stuff versus more skincare stuff. I may or may not be changing my customizations a little bit soon because I need to work on skincare. Let's just be honest. This is my confessional. I need to work on skincare. I'm terrible at it. I don't really do it. I don't like lotions on my face. I've said that before. I need to find some solutions to my hatred of skincare. So, just because I don't want to be like a really wrinkly 40-year-old at some point in my life. We're getting there fast, guys. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open my BoxyCharm here, and we're going to dive in and see what's inside. All right, so this is the cute little BoxyCharm postcard you get. Fresh Start is the theme for this box. It says I got the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, which I'm not thrilled about. It didn't look great when they were showing it on Instagram. It was not something I was looking forward to. Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I'll definitely be using that. Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. I don't know what that is. Is it it must be like a highlighter, maybe? It says this Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. Ooh, sounds fancy. The left shade shimmer is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade sparkle is a high intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. All right, sounds riveting. You've caught my attention. Next we've got Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I could probably use some eye cream. We'll see. And Bally Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Okay, I can get down with some lip balm. Maybe just a little bit disappointed because I told them before that I wanted more makeup stuff, and I've not heard great things about this particular eyeshadow palette. So, meh. We'll see. We'll see. It says the Velvet palette. Let's see if I can crack open this thing here. So yeah, not the greatest, but don't knock it till you try it, right? Probably do some things with it. Won't be a favorite, but yeah, I won't hate on it too much till I actually try it. Maybe I'll do a future video with it and see what we can come up with. We'll figure it out. Okay, so then we have the DNA Do Not Age peptide eye cream stuff. Then here's that Laura Geller thing. Okay, so it's like a highlighter, or you could probably even use it as like an eyeshadow. I have a Laura Geller highlighter that kind of looks like this already, so we'll see. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm really trying to be open because, like I said, I wasn't thrilled. Okay, and so then we have this, the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I am excited about this because anything that can help with like my really big pores that I have like here on my cheeks and in my nose also, I am down for. I'm all about shrinking them pores and keeping away blackheads. Yeah. So anyway, that's a keeper. I have another product from Pharmacy that I got from Boxy Charm. It's a makeup cleansing balm stuff that helps just melt the makeup off of your face, and it is so good. Like if I ever do a full face, I don't bother like trying to wash or trying to use, you know, makeup remover or anything like that. I just slather that balm. One of these days I'll make a video of it for sure. Just slather that balm all over my face, and it just like all the makeup just comes off, and it's kind of satisfying in a sick way. Anyway, then we've got this Belly Balm. Like I said, I'm okay with lip balm. That's fine. Sweet orange and coconut. Yeah, might be good. I don't think I've ever tried anything from, let's see, it just says hashtag Kiss the Planet. Is that the brand? Is that the, or is Belly Balm the brand? I guess Belly Balm is the brand. I reckon so. So yeah, I've never used anything from them, so I'm eager to see how well that works. And those are my products, guys. Like I said, maybe in the future I'll try to do a look with that palette that I'm not thrilled about. I might be pleasantly surprised. Not trying to naysay it. Not trying to go there. Definitely trying to be open about it, and trying to be open about these other products as well. I'll give an update. But like I said, last month was awesome because I got a little palette, and I got some makeup brushes, and I got a lipstick, and I got, oh yeah, magnetic lashes. It was an awesome box. It was a great Christmas box. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video. Yeah, now I got to get back to doing housework, mom life. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're interested in following me on Instagram, I would love that, at Mia's Make Oops, all lowercase, no spaces or anything like that. And hit the you know, like down there for my video if you enjoyed it, or thumbs down, that's fine too. It's not fine, but you gotta give honest opinions, and then maybe tell me why down in the comments below, what you liked and didn't like. You know, I can't fix things if I don't know. And you know, hit the little notify bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, a fantastic week. It's coming up. I'll see what I have for you next time on Mia's Make Oops. Okay? Love yourself, love what you do, and always remember to be you, guys. I'll catch you later. Mwah! Love ya. Bye.